If you've got a WordPress website but you've never actually published a blog post on it, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire process to a live blog post on your website. No jargon, no tech skills needed. And I'll show you the 3 small settings most beginners miss that make your post look professional and help it show up on Google. Let's get into it. Quick bit of context before we jump onto the screen. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. So if you've got a business website, there's a good chance it's built on WordPress. And blogging on your own site is still one of the best free ways to get found on Google. Everything I'm about to show you uses the standard WordPress editor called the block editor. It comes built in, so you don't need to install anything extra. All right, screen share time. Follow along with me. First things first, we need to get into the back end of your website. This is the part your visitors never see, where you control everything. Type your website address into the browser, then add /w-p-admin on the end. So it looks like your site.com/wp-admin. Enter your username and password, and you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Don't be overwhelmed by all the menus on the left. Today, we only need one of them. In the left sidebar, hover over posts and click Add New. Quick thing to understand here, because this confuses everyone at the start. WordPress has posts and pages, and they are not the same thing. Pages are for permanent stuff like your About page or your Contact page. Posts are your blog articles. They have a date, they appear in your blog feed, and you'll keep adding new ones over time. So for a blog post, it's always posts, then add new. Click that and you'll see a nice clean editing screen. This is the block editor. Right at the top where it says add title, click and type your headline. I'll write 5 tips for choosing a local plumber as our example. Now click just below the title and start typing your first paragraph. Here's the key concept. Everything in WordPress is a block. A paragraph is a block. A heading is a block. An image is a block. Think of it like stacking Lego bricks on top of each other to build your post. Every time you hit enter, you get a new block. And if you click this little plus icon, you can choose exactly what type of block you want. Now, one thing that instantly makes your post look better and helps Google understand it, headings. Click the plus, choose heading, and type your section title. See how it says H2 up here? That's perfect. Use H2 for your main sections and H3 if you need smaller subsections inside them. Your post title is automatically the H1, so you never need to use H1 in the body. A wall of text puts people to sleep, so let's add an image. Click the plus icon, choose image, then click upload and pick a photo from your computer. You can also click media library to reuse images you've uploaded before. 2 quick tips that most beginners skip. First, before you upload, make sure your image isn't massive. A photo straight off your phone can be 5 megabytes and that will slow your site down. Use a free tool like TinyPNG to shrink it first. Aim for under 200 kilobytes. Second, with the image selected, look at the right sidebar and find the field called alt text. Write a short description of what's in the image, like plumber fixing a kitchen tap. This helps people using screen readers, and it tells Google what the image shows. It takes 10 seconds, and it's worth doing every single time. Now, look at the right-hand sidebar and make sure the Post tab is selected at the top. Scroll down until you see Categories. Categories are the big folders your content lives in. If you're a plumber, your categories might be plumbing tips and company news. Pick one category for this post, and please tick anything other than uncategorized. Still in that right sidebar, find Featured Image and click Set Featured Image. This is the main thumbnail for your post. It's what shows up on your blog page, and it's the image that appears when someone shares your post on Facebook or LinkedIn. Upload one or choose from the library, click Set Featured Image. Make sure to add alt text to this image as well. Moment of truth. Before you hit the publish button, click Preview in the top right. You can choose desktop or mobile preview. This shows you exactly what visitors will see when they read the blog. If you are happy with it, you can click Publish. So, what do you think? If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe to Digifix, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.